Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. I'm so glad to be joining with you guys another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite no makeup look products. You guys know I am not a makeup person. I really like to have a natural look on my skin like this. I've got some 4 to 5 holy grail products that work the best to give the no makeup look, and I absolutely love them. From the mid of 2020, I prefer going bare skin pretty much everywhere, and I'm quite liking that part about it. But yeah, if I have to wear something, I really want something that doesn't look like, applied makeup on the face. Very affordable. They work great on oily, acne prone skin type as well as normal skin type. So even acne prone skin people can use these products because they are non-comedogenic. They give slight coverage and they do not cause or irritate your existing pimples or cause new pimples. So having said that, let's get started. First makeup product that I totally love is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Like, this is my first ever foundation, you guys. I've never been a foundation girl at all. Always I've been a BB cream girl person, like especially the Pond's BB cream, and that's what I used to use. In 2019 or something, I came across this product and I gave it a shot and I quite like it. This is not my regular product, but it can be used as a regular product if you're somebody going out to work or something like that and you just want some nice coverage. This would actually work. So this is the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. I've heard so much things about it, like it's been there for a long time, but I just happened to get my hands on only in 2019. This is exactly how the product looks. You just take a little bit of product and it's very easy, it's very easily blendable product, and it actually gives a very smooth finish to the skin, and I totally like it. Usually what I do is, like, I usually mix it up with a moisturizer together. I just put dots all over my face and then I blend it. Especially my parents and other people started telling me that I look better without actually getting ready. It's not a foundation that actually cakes up, but still I do not like even a single trace of line of makeup also on my face, because I like it really bare skinned and natural looking face. Instead of applying dots all over the face and blending it, I just like take it in my hands and I just like dab it like that, like a BB cream, and that's it. So this is a product I really love. My shade is like, I don't know, 330 toffees. It works pretty well on my skin and I just love it. This product is very affordable. I think it's only 199 rupees, and it comes a long way because you're just going to use a very little of the product. If you're like me, who has never used foundation at all ever, and if you're not like a complete makeup person, then do definitely give this Maybelline Fit Me range a try. They have multiple shades. It's non-comedogenic, so it doesn't clogs up the pores. 199 rupees, like a BB cream, super easy to apply, at the same time works great. But this one is one of my favorite products. Use it even now. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me range concealer, and I totally love this product a lot. The reason being it because it's great for under eyes, and also it's great for like spots. If you have any acne and the black marks after the pimple has like dried out or something like that, this one pretty much works on it. And for under eyes, it's really great. And I really love this wand thingy. This works pretty great for application without like using your hands or anything. So after applying it on the face, I just take my ring finger and easily blend it, and it instantly blends it off. It's not really hard, and at the same time it's not super cakey. This product is super great for that. This one is a little expensive, but it's totally worth it. It's gonna last for ages, and it's a great product. It's like 450 rupees. You might get it on discount on Amazon for like 350 rupees and 370 rupees. Again, there are various shade ranges to choose from. I've gotten the shade in caramel, and that works pretty great for me. The next product that I have is another concealer. I ordered this along with it, but I never end up using it because I already have that, so I never opened it. So finally I thought of giving it a try, and my god, this product is really good, you guys. I mean, it kind of looks a little weird because it has this brush kind of format in it. You just have to press a little bit and the product comes out of the brush. Exactly how the product looks. It's easy to blend and it gives a very nice coverage. It's in the shade Fawn, and yeah, that's the shade, and I think it's pretty much working on my skin. I just love the shade of it. From now on, I'm going to use this product. If you're like me, who's not a makeup person but then wants a little bit of product that would make you look like a little bit of into makeup but not too much into makeup, this is definitely a product that you should give it a try. It's called as a LA Pro Girl concealer. I just love it. Since I already love products from the Fit Me range, I thought of giving this also a try because this is like 199 rupees. You might get it in discount even for like 129 rupees or something. It's such a cheap affordable product from Maybelline. Again, it's a very beautiful packaging. It comes with a beautiful mirror and a sponge and the shade of it as well. So yeah, it's again great to dust it out on your face. If you are an oily acne prone skin like me, this product works really well. If I'm wearing something on my face, I should definitely put compact powder on it, otherwise it doesn't stay, because oily skin otherwise it just looks really weird, and so I got this Fit Me range. And again, this is a great texture product, claims to have 12 hours of oil control. This is again a new product that I'm yet to give it a try, but I'm sure it's gonna be great because I've already liked all the other two of the Maybelline products. I'm sure it's gonna be great, and it's just a compact powder, just dust it on the face. I'm sure a lot of you girls have already used this product by now, but yeah, for me this is the first time I'm giving it a try. Yeah, this is also something totally worth a try. Concealer is the top one. I just 100% vote for it because I've used it and I loved it a lot. The foundation part, I've used it a couple of times and I quite really like it. I started using this in USA. You can see I've used a little bit of the product. So this is called as the Face Shop Watery Tint. That's the thing. So it's basically a lip tint and a cheek tint. I've never used blush ever on my skin, you guys, because it's always covered with pimples for up until 2021 beginning. It's always covered with so many acne and so many pimples. I mean, I cannot, like, there's no space only on my skin to put anything. Right now it's getting better, so I just started using it and I quite like this product. So this again comes like a lip gloss kind of tube, and you can apply it on your lips. It gives a very beautiful tint. It's a watery tint. It just gives a very beautiful tint. This is exactly how the product looks. Now if you just like smear it on the skin, it gives a very beautiful slight tint on the cheeks and also on the lips if you're interested in giving some color of your skin. A little bit of touching it only, it gives such a color on the skin, so you need to be very careful about taking only less product and not a lot of product. So I have actually used it on my lips and I quite like it. This product is really great. It's from the Face Shop. Again, smells really great. You can use it as a cheek tint as well as a lip tint. All of these are supposed to be makeup products, but I just use a very little of it, just a little bit, so that it doesn't look too much like applied makeup or something. So these are all the amazing favorite products that I absolutely love and I just swear by it. And since it's winter and the clothes are not drying and it's been raining constantly all the time, this is one of the products I swear by it. And yeah, this is actually from the Bath and Body Works USA, but then you can get it off of Amazon. Lots and lots of variants are there. The body mists are amazing. They smell really great, but I do not use it on the body directly. I just spray it on the clothes like a perfume. So I do not use perfume. Instead, I just use body mist on the clothes so that the clothes smell really good. And since I wear a lot of fleece and fur clothing, it needs a little bit of scent, to mask it, otherwise it doesn't smell all that great. So this Bath and Body Works mist is really amazing. I'm gonna link a couple of them down for you guys. There's also smaller variants available, like a travel size or something, so a little bit of spray would last a long time and it smells really great. I prefer to use it only on the clothes. I've never tried it on the body, but I love the smell of it. The smell is really great and they just are the best. These are my favorite products. I just love all of these. So let me know if you have tried any of these products. I'm gonna link all of these products down below for you guys. There are multiple and various shades out there. You can check the shade, the one that actually matches your skin tone and your color, and then you can order it. And the price might vary depending on the shade color, but then you'll get a lot of discount on Amazon. I hope you liked this video, and I'm gonna catch you guys very shortly with another brand new video. Until then, it's your girl Aditi signing off. Take care. Bye bye.